name's Taylor. I'm with Vannon. We're out of San Luis Obispo, California. We are a custom upfit van construction company. We also have a bunch of soft goods and hard goods that we sell direct to consumer, but our primary business is upfitting custom vans. Our focus is to build these things as durable and as light and as premium as they possibly can be. Zero shortcuts. We primarily work with aluminum and composite. There's very little wood in our vans. They're extremely feature rich, but a lot of space. We really like to maximize how much space we can have in these vans. In doing so, we like to work with the best companies, the highest in electrical systems, the Victrons, the EcoFlow program. We use isotherm refrigerators. When it comes to airflow and environment control, we love using Nomadic. We often use the X3s and X2s. It just depends on the van, the power systems, how the customer plans to use the van, the size of the van. There's a lot of variables. We custom design the rigs for the customer so it's personalized. Climate control is so important. An air conditioner, we install them often. Nomadic is kind of our go-to. And when it comes to airflow, most people don't use them for hanging out and for leisure situations. It's mostly for sleeping. When you're in the desert and it's hot and you want to go to sleep, it's a great way to break the temperature down. You can have a nice long night's sleep and enjoy your trip. We've designed our own fenders, front fenders. They're a composite fender that allows the wheels to be spaced out farther for protection and ultimately aesthetics. It just kind of takes it from looking like a delivery vehicle to more of a pre-runner, tougher off-road rig. This one in particular, this is a 170, a 2024 custom van that we built for an attorney. He works remotely. He wanted a full desk system built in here, but he also wanted to be able to play and recreate. He's at ski resorts all winter long. He's got it set up so that he's got a big desk system with a big executive chair program, full kitchen in the back, sleeping in the back, a nice cafe zone. It's also got a pop top. So if there's multiple people traveling, they both have their living zones. This van is a great example of what we do and making personalized custom vans. For more information on Vannon, you can go to vannon.com, VANNON.com, or check us out on our social media at go_Vannon and check us out.